have removed, Mr. Secretary, the following. Bypass Road, 150H, nawala na. Now, how can we finish the coastal bypass road?
Mukha po ang nangyari dito na sama po siya dun sa paglilinis.
You also remove, I don't know who removed them. You always have budget, and yet you have removed this. And that is why I have to fight for this, because these are our alternate bypass road. And you took out no budget for our bridges, 2 bridges. This is the Conjes Cagayan de Oro, the bridges from Makasandig to Makanhan to the 1st District, and from Makabalan, nothing is left.
We will.
Of course, it will be more. That is the situation, Mr. Secretary. How can I not bring this out when our city is being stifled? It is not breathing anymore because of traffic. In Region 10, the district of Congressman Rodriguez is the biggest reduction. Now, how can we be able to explain this? Can you restore this?
To find a way to restore this